Short video, Infiniti fx35 rear wheel hub assembly. Bearings are making a little bit of noise. It sounded like it was coming from the front, but actually it's coming from the back. So I've changed the front ones already. They were a fairly easy, straightforward job. But I came to the back ones and the four nuts or bolts on the inside edge just around here were a little bit more difficult. The drive shaft is in the way, so to get around that I've used a 19mm socket with the middle end of my wrench. I've got one of these socket sets so the square bit comes out the middle. Stick them together, slip that in there. Take a 1/2 inch wrench, stick that on the square bit. And just then I've got a piece of universal joint, but you can use a piece of pipe or something like that. Let's just slide that on, and then with a bit of force we can get it to move. Once broken free, the bolt will undo quite easily. You can do that on all four of them. Same process. Get it on the next nut, get your bar on it, push it down, take all four of them out. I've seen a lot of questions on the forums asking how to get these bolts out, and that's the best way I've found so far. If you've not done one of these wheel hubs, they're very easy. I bought a brand new one from Parts Geek. I think it was $130, something like that. Anyway, it comes as a one piece already assembled, which makes the job very easy. You don't need any bearing presses, anything to split the bearings and hubs, so you can just unbolt the old one and bolt a new one in. Let me show you quickly how to do this job. I'm going to assume you're pretty competent already if you're looking at this. So let me try and get a good shot of this. So to do this job, you unbolt your brake rotor, take that off, put it out the way. I like to put mine up there. Take your brakes off. Obviously I've already done this. Take your rotor off. Take the nut off the front of the drive shaft. Undo those four bolts around the back side. Get a slide hammer on these bolts around the front, and slide and just keep banging it and it will come off. I think I showed you how to do that on the drive shaft video, so you might want to check that one out. And then the reverse is just exactly the same. When you put the nuts on, though, you need to put a new cotter pin in, and the torque loading is 177 foot-pounds to save you looking it up. And there we go. Thank you.